So cards are boxes of information with an image, title, some text, and optionally a button. They're very good for organising things. So I'm going to add a new container here, 4 columns. And I'm going to add into each of these a card, and you will see there then how they build up a very nice looking organised sort of information providing design. Get rid of these headlines and you then edit them in exactly the same way as before. So if I click on a card title, I can't change the text directly, but I can on here. I can choose to enter the card information. So it's awesome, which I can't type. It's awesome. This is some information about what I am writing about. This is nonsense. And then a button, read more, and then I could put in a URL to probably another page on my funnel. Tutorial and update. If I edit that and I'm going to take out the URL, it gets rid of the button. So the button's optional if you do or don't put in a URL. The image is the next button along the toolbar here, and I'll use a image. So I can put an image in, and you'd probably want to make them the same dimensions if you're going to sort of put these horizontal next to each other so that it looks good. But other than that, we can then do all the usual bits and pieces that I want. So I can choose black and use my center shadow to add a nice glow. I can change the text, I can change the font, the border, and so on. Just like everything else done before, really. In fact, I'm not sure I particularly like the shadow there, really. But what I'll do is just quickly, yeah, that's nice. Let's compare it actually while we're here. So if I click on this, I can, if I do a shadow, there's a shadow around it. Let's quickly do some more. Another card here, and so on. And I can probably make life easier. So if I duplicate this, I can then duplicate it, drag it, duplicate it. Oops. Drag it, I can get rid of that one, get rid of that one, and just so we can see how they look like next to each other, duplicate it and drag it. So very quick way to organise information and provides a nice layout, which if we have a look at the final version, is of course fully responsive on a mobile phone. So that's cards.